Our soft cap is $1,575,000. Our hard cap is $8,325,000. It seems like an insignificant sum of money for such a large project, but according to our reasonable estimate, this amount is enough for app development and marketing. We plan to reach hard cap in 1 day. How? Primarily, it's due to the high demands of crypto community and investors in our project. Secondly, we have a unique project combining usability and cutting-edge technologies. Thirdly, the number of STO tokens is limited, so not everyone would be able to buy them during ICO. We might have limited the number of tokens one investor can hold.